Electric guitars designed for beginners span a wide range of sizes, feature sets, and bundled accessories. For younger players and adults just starting out, the right kit can reduce setup frustrations, improve playability, and sustain motivation. This comparison examines 5 beginner-friendly options across a price spectrum from $79.99 to $156.59. Product number 1. 30-inch Kids Electric Guitar Kit, Beginner Complete Bundle with Smooth Fingerboard. The RVO1 RST70 is a compact 30-inch electric guitar designed for young players, 6 through 12, with a lightweight body and maple neck, aiming to deliver a ready-to-play experience straight from the box. The kit includes a 5-watt mini amplifier, gig bag, tuner, strap, spare strings, and a cable, making it a true all-in-one starter package. The fixed hardtail bridge and single coil pickup configuration, S, emphasize simplicity and reliability for first-time players, while the matte poplar body finish helps resist fingerprints during long practice sessions. The guitar's scale length of 19.7 inches and a comfortable C-shaped feel cater to smaller hands, reducing fatigue during early learning sessions. Products number 2. Glary 39-inch full-size electric guitar for music lover beginner with 20W amp. The Glary 39-inch full-size electric guitar is a complete starter set built around a standard 39-inch scale with a maple neck and maple fretboard, and a versatile HHH pickup configuration. The bundle includes a 20W amplifier, a guitar bag, strap, picks, tremolo arm, connecting wire, and a spanner, designed to give new players a broader tonal palette and practical performance capabilities from day one. The basswood body aims to balance weight and resonance, while the included accessories facilitate immediate use beyond basic practice, making it a strong option for learners seeking more tonal variety without purchasing aftermarket components. Product number 3. STRICH Electric Guitar Beginner Kit. The STST-S20 is a full-size 39-inch electric guitar configured with an HSS pickup layout, designed as a high-value beginner kit. It includes a 10W amplifier and a robust bundle, gig bag, tuner, capo, strap, strings, cables, picks, and audio converter, all housed in an attractive sunburst maple-bodied instrument. The guitar emphasizes refined craftsmanship with maple wood components and a modern neck profile, offering easy playability and a professional look for beginners aiming to progress quickly into more demanding repertoire. Performance-wise, product number 4. Wins EGM 100 30 inches Real Kids Electric Guitar with Beginner Kit. The Wins EGM 100 targets the youngest players with a 30-inch scale, right-handed configuration, and a complete beginner kit. The guitar features a maple neck and fingerboard with a cosmetically appealing purple finish. The bundled items include a 600D Oxford gig bag with double shoulder straps, a small practice amplifier, extra strings, strap, cable, picks, and an Allen wrench, aiming to deliver a highly approachable and value-forward package for early learners. Performance-wise, the 30-inch scale and comfortable C-shaped neck are designed to minimize hand fatigue for kids, promoting longer practice sessions. The amplifier is compact and suitable for home use. Product number 5. Rock Jam Electric Guitar Kit with 10-watt amp. The Rock Jam RJEG03-SK-BK is a full beginner kit centered on an SSS pickup configuration, 3 single coils with a 10-watt amplifier and a strong range of included extras, including online lessons via Simply Guitar. The guitar uses a basswood body and is built for a broad, accessible entry into multiple genres, with a familiar full-size scale. The ergonomic ST-style body and gloss finish give a professional look, while the complete learning package adds long-term value for new players seeking guided instruction alongside hardware. Performance-wise, the 3 single-coil pickups and a 25.5-inch scale provide a versatile tonal palette suitable for pop, rock, blues, and light funk.